Far, far away, on a sunny island called Wobbletop, lived animals, trees, and one very special volcano named Volco. Volco was no ordinary volcano. He didn't roar or rumble. He sneezed. Achoo. Every time Volco felt too excited, too scared, or too mad. Boom. Trees shook. Birds scattered. The sky filled with clouds. I'm sorry, sniffled Volco. One day, a wise owl named Professor Hootsley flew down from the mountains. Volco, you have something called emotions. Let's learn to manage them. When you feel big feelings, said the owl, you don't have to boom. You can breathe, count, or talk about them. Volco practiced every day. He breathed in and out. He hummed little songs. He counted to 10. Soon, the sneezes slowed. The booms turned to bubbles. And the animals began to smile again. Volco made a feelings garden. Each flower glowed a color. Red for anger, yellow for joy, blue for calm. Now I know how I feel. He cheered.
One windy day, a big cloud scared everyone. Volco took a deep breath and smiled. I can handle this, he said calmly. The storm passed, and Volco celebrated with a lava art show. He painted with glowing lava streams, peaceful, beautiful, and bold. Now, Volco is known as the friendliest volcano on the island. He still feels big things, but he handles them with heart. Moral: it's okay to feel big feelings. What matters is what we do with them. Draw how you feel today. Circle. Which flower are you today? Emotion chart. Count to 10 with Volco. Breathing bubble page. Like, share and subscribe to Chinyere Tales, where learning meets fun, for more educational content.